A local applet is a great way to bring a little bit of the web into your native application. Unlike a simple link to a web page, applets can run offline, interact with the native platform, and be configured through our web interface. In order to create a local applet, you're going to need the assistance of a developer so that they can build out that web-based code and then package it up into a URL that can be used in the platform. We have a couple that are already available for you, but if you have a specific local applet that you have in mind, you can talk to your client success representative and we can review what's needed to create that local applet if we don't already have one on hand. So create your app block, hit add new app block, and here we're going to type local applet. Click on the Local Applet AppBlock and click apply. On your configuration screen, you can change the name. So the local applet I'm using is actually called a contraction timer. You'll notice that this part of the screen disappears. That's completely normal. Just click apply and it will reappear. And then you are just going to paste your local applet URL directly into this area and hit Save Applet Source. Again, there are no canvases for you to design. Everything is located right here in the configuration screen. Once you've saved your local applet, it will tell you the name of it, the publisher, and the version that you are using. On the next tab, we have an area called Customize, where you can actually go in and customize certain features of your local applet if they are available. If you have an area where you can customize, I do recommend that you save that local applet customization, just for the matter that a lot of the times if you don't complete the step, some applets that are more advanced might not necessarily run until you save that customization, whether you made changes or not. After this, all you have to do is go create a button, whether it's on your home canvas, your flyout menu, tabs, or a list menu. If you want to see what your local applet looks like, a lot of the times you can open up a new browser window and paste it directly in. And because it's web-based code, it will be right here and it will work for you. A couple of things to keep in mind about local applets is that they do remain on the device user's device. They will not be visible to any other user except for the person that has downloaded the app on their phone. If you have any more questions about local applets and how to make them, or which ones we actually already have created, you can talk to your client success representative, or you can contact me at training@mobilesmith.com.